Afternoon, my name is K. Akanksha, BSc MPC first year English medium. I am studying in MBS Government Degree and PG College Autonomous at Christian Palli, Mahbub Nagar. Today I am here to explain about the self-confidence. Self-confidence means having a belief on yourself and your abilities. It develops a person internally, makes physically fit. With this one can achieve anything in life. Self-confidence makes a person independent, eager, optimistic, loving and positive. It is a key to success and plays a significant role in the life of an individual. Self-confidence makes a person to feel better, to perform better. There is no fear to perform anything. The self-confidence makes a person to defeat anything in his life. The second topic is time management. Time management is making his time to control his works and make the perfect time to do the works perfectly. Scan your time. Scan your time is making a timetable to divide the time in a given time. A man has a 24 hours in a day. In 24 hours, we use the 7 hours to sleep and 3 hours to do the ourselves own works. The remaining 14 hours to divide the 14 hours to restrict a timetable to do this work, and this time do this work, and do this time in this work. To scan the every time, because scan means to where we are wasting our time in doing on some others work, wasting time playing with others and wasting with chat and using the mobile phone. Like that we scan our time where we are wasting our time. That one we want to recognize our time and tell and use the time to our own works. Replace the time with a specific goal. Replace the time where we are wasting the time. Replace with a specific goal. We want to put that one goal and go straight with that and do hard work with that for that goal. Do the compulsory works first. First we make the important works and the compulsory works. We want to divide the two works at a time. Then we want to do the first compulsory works. What we have, we want to study, we want to do the project work, we want to do the anything else. Like that, first we want to do the compulsory work. The important works are like doing bathing, eating, just brushing, like that. That are the important works in a day. So we want to do this work in a period of time. But we want to do the first, give the preference to the compulsory works. Purchase your time. Purchase the time. Don't waste the time by going the shop and they're standing in the line, they're making a queue. That was the wasting of time. Just we want to stay at home and do the online. Nowadays we have a good facility of online purchasing. We are go to the shop. We didn't want to go to the shop and buy a cloth. Here by sitting at the home, we can buy anything at the home. And the next one is gravitational law. Like gravitational law of time means like our cell phones, our TV are attracting us to go towards them and wasting their time. When we are sitting to study, our phone mobile is calling you, like making a call, and it's come, use me like that. So we want to distract that force and to avoid that force to aside and make the time to use a particular important topic. Draw conclusions. By without doing anything, by attracting any unusual things, we are putting one time to sit on one topic. To that, draw a conclusion, because we are giving a time to importance to a topic. But what you conclusively, by finally what you learn, that is the important. What you learn, what you gain the knowledge, that is so important. Just we are reading, just practicing is nothing but important. What you are gained by that, what you are improve your knowledge, what you understood, that is the important. The last topic is leadership. Leadership is just leading the people. This is the social influence, the influence among the people. A leader is honesty. The main one is honesty. Honesty means that is giving a belief to everyone in the member. It is chatting with each other, making a belief on each other, because that belief is the main point in the leadership. And the ability of the task, deliberate task. You do the task perfectly. First of all, leader should do the work, and the other people are the follow the leader. Do the work task at a time. Be the punctual. Main point is the punctuality. The third one is fair. Fair with everyone. With people who is there in the group or a committee. With the fair. What you will do that will do in the fair with the patience. And the third one is communicating clearly and openly. Communicate with each other with good pronunciation and the good vocabulary, using good vocabulary, like using good words, like that. Communicate with each other openly. What you are in your mind, you should pronounce it openly. What should you have your plans, your imagination, what your goals, what you want to do, what your works. That one you should openly with your open mind. Third, fourth, fifth one is confident. You confident with the everyone. With your confidence, you can make the everyone confident. If you with your confidence, everyone should make that confident and do they follow your words. They will do your works. They will follow your words. Next one is positive attitude. Be with the positive attitude. Be with the positive thoughts. See everyone with a positive thought. What they are do, you just take the good things. Don't take the bad things. Every should have the good and bad. Just what you want, that only you want to take. Just you go with the what to do, what not to do. Like you, if you follow this one, the remaining people also follow that. Like last one is the inspire. You inspire others by telling the a great leaders biography and their autobiography, like telling the what they did, what their communities, what they did. Then they did so many wars, like so many rallies, like that what they did, what the good things they did. Take that points and say to others, inspire them with a great person, great personality. First you make a personality, you first of all make yourself a role model to others. First you should follow the all things, then they will all take a role model to you only. So inspire the others. So thank you so much, sir. Our principal, sir, Vijay Kumar, sir. Thank you, our HOD, sir, Satish Reddy, sir. Thank you, our Nissi Niharika, ma'am, English lecturer, Nissi Niharika, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this opportunity.